Hey, Blue Bear family. This is Dr. Anthony J. Davis, the 13th president, and I'm wishing you and yours once again a very Merry Christmas and a joyous and prosperous New Year. 2025 was an amazing year, especially for me. You know, I received a transplant. Now I'm on the other side of transplant. But as we bring this year to a close, as I reflect on this year, this has been a great year for our beloved Livingstone College. Think about this. No other HBCU in North Carolina can brag about the success that Livingstone College has had. Increased enrollment by 43.5%, record philanthropy. In 3 years, we've raised over $62 million, and it's being reinvested in our campus as we think about the miracle on Monroe Street. So, as you think about your gifts this year, think about a gift to support your beloved Livingstone College. An alumnus recently said to me, well, you don't need my money because your anonymous donor seems to be keeping you, pretty much supported. What I said was, that is all being restricted to capital improvements. There's still the endowment, and we still have a need for scholarships, especially since I'm going around the country and I'm bringing some of the most competitive academic scholars to the campus of Livingstone College. So we need your support. Think about an institution that has done so much for so many with so little for so long. Now here's your opportunity to give. Go online and make your contribution, or if you want to go old school, send a check to 701 West Monroe Street, attention the President's office, and I'll make sure that we will respond to you in an appropriate manner. Hey, I'm excited about what 2026 will bring, but I'm also excited about what you're going to do as we close this year. And by the way, I have to ask you that question, who you with? LC?